Hello, this is Mrs. Okerman, and I'm here to show you how to take your Google Docs document and submit it to Schoology as a PDF so you can submit your essay for your final photo as well as your bibliography. So on your document, you should have your essay as well as your bibliography from Google Docs. You will select the three little bubbles at the top. It will give you this screen. You're going to choose Share and Export, and you're going to select Send a Copy. Make sure it is essential that you choose PDF. Double check it's PDF and select OK. As it prepares the PDF, it's going to give you a list of choices. If Schoology is already open for you, select Schoology. If not, select More. Scroll down until you find Schoology. Open up Schoology. And then from this page, you're going to choose to submit assignment. You will have a link in physics titled Online Submission, Final Photo, Essay, and Bibliography. This is where you're going to select and you're going to turn it in. From there, when you are done, you may double check that it is submitted by going into your course, into that assignment, and in the upper right hand corner, double checking submissions. If you are stuck on this, please come see one of your teachers, as we will help ensure that you get this turned in correctly as a PDF so you can earn credit on this section of your assignment. Thanks very much. Bye.